So Mandela says, we thank all our distinguished international guests for having come to take possession with the people of our country of what is, after all, a common victory for justice, for peace, and for human dignity. Dignity means honor. So as first, Mandela says that earlier we all were outlaws. We were completely cut off with other parts of the world. Okay, even nobody were in relation with us. Okay, but today we got that right, that we became a host of to the nations. Means at the inauguration day there were many nations present there. There were many leaders from different nations were present there. So they were host only, the blacks were host of them. Okay, so Mandela says today we got a right to become host to the nations of the world. Clear means on our own soil. Earlier we were completely alien. Okay, we were completely cut off, but today we got a chance to become a host, or to we can say, or to attend many leaders of the nation. And for that Nelson Mandela is thanking everybody. Means all the guests and all the leaders who were present there, Mandela was thanking them. Why? Because they came here to take a part in that inauguration, to become a part of that inauguration. And he also says that this is not a victory of South Africa only, this is a victory for all. Actually, this is a victory for whole world, because this was a victory which they got for justice, peace, and human dignity. Okay, means the torture which they suffered, it could have happened with anybody. So it was a common victory for all the people of the world. Okay, because it was a fight for justice, peace, and human dignity. Dignity means self respect or honor. We have at last achieved our political emancipation. Emancipation means freedom, okay, from any restriction. We pledge ourselves. Now this is also very important to keep in mind. Okay, so first of all, Mandela says that at last we got freedom, at last we got a democratic country, so we got political freedom. Okay, and we all should pledge. Okay, earlier Mandela took pledge that he would uphold the constitution and he would do everything for the welfare of the people. But now he says we all pledge, okay, to liberate all people from a continuing bondage of poverty, deprivation, suffering, gender, and other discrimination. Mandela says at last they got freedom, but now we have to take pledge to get freedom from other evils of the society, from other problems of the society. And which are those? Poverty, deprivation, suffering, gender, and other discrimination. Okay, never, never, and never again shall it be that this beautiful land will again experience the oppression of one by another. Oppression means torture. So Mandela promises his people that now nobody will torture anybody, now there will be freedom.